Hello IntelliScientist, welcome to the Alan IntelliBrain. We are here to perform the Intelli activity to identify fractions. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following material from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the fraction base sheet and the fractions kit from your Intelli Smart Box. Lay out the fraction base sheet on a table or a flat surface. We can observe that the fraction base sheet is divided into different colored strips with varying number of sections. Take out the fraction tokens from the fractions kit one by one and place them on the sections given on the fraction base sheet by matching colors. The largest of all fraction tokens is the red token, which represents one whole and will be placed at the top, and the other fractions will represent the parts of the whole. The two yellow fraction tokens are to be placed on the yellow strip of the fraction base sheet. Two yellow fraction tokens are equal to one red fraction token. We can say that each yellow token represents 1 by 2 or half part of the whole, and two halves make one whole. Now let us arrange all the fraction strips by matching colors on the fraction base sheet. The fraction tokens are marked with the fraction having numerator as 1 and denominator as the number of parts it takes to make a whole. We can now compare and study the relationship between various fractions and learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. For instance, 3 white strips marked with the fraction 1 by 6 are equal to the 2 blue strips marked with the fraction 1 by 4. This means 3 by 6 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Can we find more equivalent fractions? Let us find the equivalent fraction for the 4 purple fraction tokens. We know 4 fraction tokens marked with the fraction 1 by 12 if added will make the fraction 4 by 12. Compare the strip of 4 purple fraction tokens with the other strips of tokens. We can observe 4 tokens of 1 by 12 are not equal to any number of strips of the fraction 1 by 11. And similarly, 4 tokens of 1 by 12 are not equal to any number of strips of the fraction 1 by 10. If we keep on comparing, we will find that 4 tokens of 1 by 12 are equal to 3 tokens of 1 by 9. And similarly, 4 tokens of 1 by 12 are equal to 2 tokens of 1 by 6 and 1 token of 1 by 3. We can easily visualize that 4 by 12, 3 by 9, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3 are equivalent fractions. We know after doing the activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: identification of fractions as the part of a whole, understanding and identification of the equivalent fractions. Now you can try out the activity to find more equivalent fractions and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.